Guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. As you can see, today is New Year's Day, 1st of January. So we're gonna do some coconut dumpling, some steamed veg. Gonna do pot roast chicken. You guys see, my chicken is catching its color. We are pot roasting. See you guys? We are pot roasting. I hope it might not break, because after a while and it gets in, they tend to break. So see? Let's see. I'm gonna. Oh Lord, what I need now. Oh God. Let's see what I'm gonna take with it. Oh. I got my side. I'm gonna do some burger. Burger. Not straight. If the food is too much, this is the pork. Not doing the pork today. We have ham and turkey in the fridge on the outside. The deep freeze in the tent. Guys, I'm not cooking on a lot of food today at all. Food in the fridge all over, see how much plates in the fridge there. All sort of food, guys. Not doing a whole lot of food today at all. So guys, yes, the food is ready to serve. So over here we have the pot roast chicken. The pot roast chicken, guys, and that will be served. That will be brushed up with some gravy so to get the color up. And for those who want the sauce, we have sauce over there, right? So we have the cooked papaya, green papaya, steamed veg. We have white rice, and the sauce is there. We have lobster there, curry lobster. We have okra. We have seasoned rice, Antigua seasoned rice, guys. It's full of meat. All sorts of meat. Pig tail, pig mouth, pig this, pig that, chicken. All sorts of meat, guys. All sorts of meat. That's Antigua seasoned rice, guys. And we have over here, coconut dumpling, guys. Yes, so we have the coconut dumpling right there. Yeah, so we're gonna do our little thing right now. Yes, so we're gonna do our sharing. So just a little bit of setting. As we you all know, we're under our outdoor tent. Yeah, outdoor tent. We have a little bit of setting here. If anybody want to sit and eat, yeah, right there. Yeah, want to sit and eat, and that's on the outside of our yard right there. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, see what is going on there. We have the domino table out there and all that stuff. So the kids are ready to eat and so on. So we're gonna get the ball rolling and we'll get back to you just a little bit from now, okay? So I'm here cutting up the chicken, guys. Make sure I cut it properly so that everybody can get a good nice piece. Yeah. Yeah.
Talk to Miss Attitude over there.
Okay. Guys, this is a little much I take from that big pile of food. So I take a little lobster, I take some okra, some papaya, some steamed veg, 3 coconut dumpling, guys. A little piece of the meat because I'm not a meat person. And I don't take none of the seasoned rice that you see I display. I don't take none of the white rice. There's so much thing that I don't take. I just want this to eat now. And I'm sure that I'm going to enjoy. Okay? So watch me enjoy myself. goddaughter. And the children eating, guys. They leave the food. Thank you, Jaden.
What's going on?
Wimpy just did one whole push-up.
That's great. Last week you couldn't even lift a sarsaparilla leaf.
I've been working out, see?
Are you sure that's a muscle?
Looks more like a
Mosquito bite.
It's a muscle, and I bet I'm even stronger than you, buddy.
Wimpy, I'll show you why they call me Hefty.
Have you seen his arms? They look like spaghetti. Hey guys, do you remember when he tried to smurf that jam jar?
Need a hand? Well, everyone around here knows I'm the strongest Smurf and the weakest.
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that. Hefty, I challenge you to a Smurf-off.
He smurfed his brain.
You don't want too many.
You're right, we'll land on you.
I'll be ready for it.
Don't wait for me. Go ahead. I have to smurf my laces.
600 laces. Don't worry, I'm not in a hurry.
Look at. My boy beside the truck. And then the boy roll off. Hi. Look at this. Look on this dog. Look at watch. Look at this beast. Where did they come from?
Hefty being heftier.
Who is heftier?
Congratulations, Hefty. You're the strongest Smurf. Good luck with that meteor.
You need back a SIM card for WhatsApp, girl. You need back a SIM card for WhatsApp. I suppose that people tell you can.
Don't come too close, Smurfette.
So I can message
For
you.
you to get Smurf.
I'm not talking about for providing. I mean not for helping.
There is no meteorite.
The amazing Cassandra saw it in her
Hello, somebody? Hello?
The amazing
You're biased. If you don't answer, you're still biased because you know the truth. You know the truth.
Wimpy, you're talking crazy.
Hey guys, looks like Wimpy's saying
Lala, can I cook? Lala.
Let me cut.
What do I say?
Oh gosh! Stephanie said she take number 4 from me because even Nyla cook more. Oh gosh.
Stephanie on your talk. Look at that. You know, so and the day, like that chicken phone.
So I can take
You can need to take him one, nothing happens to chicken over so that he can just pick up his stomach.
Happy New Year, yeah.
Happy New Gosh.
It's a plate, sir. It's a plate, sir. It's a plate, sir. Ramai! It's time you get the chicken season in a week.
Don't forget to
Chicken has sitting down to the bone.
Flip a little on this side, will ya?
right away, Papa Smurf.
Huh? Now, after I make chicken on last week, this season, because she don't give me chicken till they say. This is a man, she wants to get chicken. This is a man, you know?
Tell you to put your dumbbells away. sorry, Papa Smurf. Andy, I asked you to tidy up your workshop. What is this mess?
This tiny. It's an organized mess. You see?
I'll be back in a little while. And it better be clean by
Go put the plate in there, in there, so.
Yes, Papa Smurf.
Now back. Tell her up in the pan.
Goes, Papa Smurf. Look at that shine. What about this? Right away, Papa Smurf.
Yes, will ya?
Sort them out, Papa Smurf.
My little Smurfs, baby, the new nature fairy will be here soon. It's very important that we make a good impression on her. It took years to get in the good graces of the old one.
It's too bad Mother Nature retired. But Papa Smurf, do you really think all of this is necessary?
We can't afford to disappoint the nature fairy. The last time it happened, she made it snow on the village for a whole month. Me, I don't like colds. You have 1 hour to get to work.
Restart, Daddy.
Everybody come back.
Let me see, we're not going to go fishing. You have to be a Barbie world. Yeah, Barbie world. Stop it, Jacob. Barbie world only. No hands. Okay, only Barbie. Only one hand. That's my vote from when I had Barbie. Like Big Bad here. Big Bad. I tell you big. My bad. I tell you big. You say Big Bad is the best thing. Ow! Let's go to China.
Todd.
I'm gonna be my car driving. Hey girl, that's my BFFFF is coming with me. Yay, Barbie diamonds. But my BFF is not coming to me. I want to be like this. I want to go to next try to
Finish.
time to get the car. I will get to car. Wait, I don't have a